Welcome back to Rubric Scorer. This video will cover how to grade a rubric. First, tap on the Not Graded Yet grade area at the top there in red. That'll take you to those different score formats. So there's 4 possible scores you can have: the total, the percent, the average, and a new grade scale, which I'll enable. If you tap on the Edit button to the right, you can see basically you can assign a symbol to any percent range. You can add more with the red button below, and you can tap on any of them to edit the scale or remove any of them. All right, there's also the option of a minimum percent. So if for some reason the lowest scoring rubric should still be a passing grade, rather than having the percent calculated based on just the points, you can set that. So let's say you could even set it for saying the lowest score should be a 75%. It really does, and then just enable it. It really depends on how you do your grading and what the rubrics mean in your classes there. You can also tap on the info button and there's a link to a more detailed explanation of the percents. All right, I'm going to disable that for now. So grading is simply tapping on any of the cells that correspond to the correct work. So I'll go ahead and tap here for a second, and you'll see the grades calculated automatically above. You'll see on the row headers where you see teamwork overview, at the very bottom is the score 3, which corresponds there. If for some reason you want to have a more nuanced approach, you can actually tap on the 3, and I could give it like a 3.2. If you want to actually give, if someone's in between, you can also tap on those 2 cells in a row. The average score is a 3.5, and again, you can edit that and maybe say a 3.3. So depending how much you like to fine-tune things, there's ways to do that as well. All right. There's also the camera option at the top left there. If you tap on that, you have the option, if your rubric is grading a physical work like an artwork or a project, you can go ahead, tap on the camera, and you can take a photo or choose a photo, and now that will save a photo along with the student's rubric. So you can keep that in the archive as well. All right, so there's a quick overview for scoring rubrics. As soon as you're done, at the bottom, you'll see the left and right arrows where you can go ahead and advance to the next student and continue grading. And as always, if you tap on the More options, on the student's name, you have an option to generate a PDF. So you can view a PDF that you can now share, save, and do what else you want with. All right, so hopefully you find that useful. Thank you.